Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Rochelle. So today's video I'll be showing you what I've got from Zara. So I do shop from Zara as well. The only thing, sometimes their sizing is a little bit of bigger on me because I'm so petite, but some of them though, they're very true to size as well. Like the ones I'm wearing right now, this is from Zara. Some of them, I'll show you how I wear them because some really loose, but I did a little bit of magic how I wear those dresses to give me that perfect fit. I'll be showing that to you guys, but before that, let me show you what dresses or what outfits I'm gonna show you in this video. Okay, bear with me. The first one is this right here. It's like a blazer dress and it comes with this belt, which is super cute. And I love pink. It's my favorite color. I'll see, I've never tried it on yet, but let's see if it looks good on me. But this is really cute. The material is really good. Okay, outfit number one. And for the rest, it's still in the box. Right here. Here's all the clothes inside. I'll show it to you guys one by one. This dress. And it comes with a belt as well. Let's see that one later if it looks good on me. It's almost similar as the last one I showed you guys, but in different color. That color, because I like this color and the other one too, so may as well get both. Comes with a belt as well. Because it's spring, I love floral. Anything floral I love. I can already tell that it's loose on me, but I'm telling you, I'm gonna share my magic. Oh, this is 100% really long, but we'll see, tiny like me, if it fits or not. The color is beautiful. Another color. And they're all dresses. And the last one. Whoa. Let's see if it fits. It looks big. Okay. You guys ready for me? Alright. Let's find out if it fits or not, or if it's good or not. The only way to find out is try it on. That's all for today, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. I'll see you guys on my next video.